What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Flauriane, and today I have a different kind of video that I haven't done before, and it's going to be a DIY Dollar Tree wall decor tutorial. And everything I got in this video, everything is less than, altogether is less than $10. So you can get you can make 4 wall decors for less than $10, and I'm gonna show you how. Stick around. Okay, to get started, you're going to need 4 8x10 photo frames from the Dollar Tree. Then you're going to need your wall stickers, and I got 2 of these. The first one says, "Women are angels. When someone breaks our wings, we continue to fly." And that's upside down, so I'm gonna turn it around so you guys can read it properly. And then the other one says, "Inhale courage." And when you flip it around, it says, "Exhale fear." Next thing you're going to need is the E6000 glue. I got this from Walmart, but it was only $3. And then the glass cleaner I also got from Dollar Tree. Now we're gonna get started with the first wall sticker. So you're gonna grab the photo frame. And I'm going to be using 2 photo frames for each wall sticker. Now you're going to take apart the photo frame. You won't be needing any of these backings, so you're going to take them all out. So now you're gonna grab your glue and glue around the edges where you would put the glass on top of the glue. I hope that makes sense, guys, but you're gonna follow along the trim of the photo frame with the glue. Now that you're done with the glue, you're gonna take the glass and place it directly on top of the glue. Make sure to be careful with this because although the glass and photo frame seems like really sturdy, you have to remember that it is from Dollar Tree, so you have to be really gentle with it. And then you're gonna press down firmly so the glass can be on the glue really nice and good. And you can choose to let this dry overnight, but I didn't have time for that today, so I'm just pressing down really firmly. So now we're gonna do the same process for each of the 4 photo frames, so I'm just going to speed through this part, guys.
Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, let me see you 1, 2 step. Automatic, supersonic, hypnotic, funky fresh. My body's so melodic, this beat rolls right through my chest. Everybody, Martin, Poppy came to party. Grab somebody, work your body, 1, 2 step. 1, work your body, 1, work it, 1, work your body, 1, work What
once you take everything out of the photo frames and you've glued the glass back on, you're gonna take the glass cleaner and clean the photo frames. Now grab your first wall sticker, and mine is the Inhale Courage, Exhale Fear one. And I'm going to really gently peel off the sticker so it doesn't rip. Now that you've got it all peeled off, right here I'm just trying to figure out where I'm gonna put it because I had no idea what I was doing. So I just decided to put it in the middle. Make sure you get all the bubbles out the sticker so it can be nice and flat. And this is how it looks right here. So cute. And then yeah, so I also sprayed the back of it and wiped it down after I placed the sticker on the front. So here I'm trying to like bend the little black pieces that are on the back of the photo frame because they were kind of in the way. So you can decide to like bend them over the side of the photo frame or just like cut them out or just break them off. So some of them broke off when I was bending them back and forth, but the others didn't. So I just left them bent over the photo frame, and that's how it looks. So cute, guys, so cute. Yeah, so you're basically going to repeat the same steps I just did with every wall sticker and every photo frames. So I did get 2 wall stickers, and like I said, I divided them up into 4 frames. So when I was wiping this off, I realized that it was lifting up a little bit. I guess I didn't put enough glue on it, so it should be coming up soon. So yeah, right there, it was lifting up. So all you have to do if that happens is just lift it up and then put a little bit of extra glue and then press down firmly on it, and you should be good to go.
On my mind, I'm not gonna fight it. I want it all the time. Boy, you should know that your love is always on my mind, and I can't deny it. I'm on you, I'm on you. Now it's just me and you. Your body's my party. Let's get it started.
Alright, so that's it for today's video. If you like what you saw and you would like to see more, please give this video a huge thumbs up, and also please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see y'all in my next video.